Have you ever wondered why some people's indoor plants always look fresh, green, and thriving, while yours seem to struggle no matter how much care you give? What if I told you there's a simple formula to keep every plant in your home healthy, beautiful, and full of life? Today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful ways to care for your indoor plants so they not only survive, but thrive like never before. 1. Give the right amount of light. Lighting is the secret superpower for plant growth. Plants use light to create food through photosynthesis, and without the right light, they can become weak, leggy, or even die. But how do you know what your plants need? Sun-loving plants like fiddle-leaf figs or aloe vera should be placed near a bright window, preferably facing south or east, to get at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Low-light plants like snake plants or ZZ plants can thrive even in dim corners or under artificial light. The key is observation. Yellowing leaves often means too much direct sunlight, while stretched, thin stems indicate too little light. Benefits: proper light ensures your plants grow healthy, develop vibrant colors, and maintain strong stems. It also boosts air purifying capabilities in indoor plants like peace lilies and spider plants, making your home cleaner and fresher. Tip: rotate your plants weekly. This ensures all sides get sunlight and prevents one-sided growth. For rooms with minimal sunlight, consider using LED grow lights. They're a game changer for indoor gardening. Remember, light is life. Understanding your plant's light preference is the first step towards creating a home full of thriving greenery. 2. Water properly, not too much. Overwatering is the silent killer of indoor plants. Even the most experienced gardeners make this mistake. Plants need water, yes, but too much water suffocates their roots, causing rot and yellow leaves. The trick is learning to listen to your plant. Check the soil before watering. Gently press your finger about 1 to 2 inches into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, wait a few days. Always water slowly and evenly, allowing excess to drain through the pot's holes. Avoid letting water sit at the bottom. Stagnant water is a perfect breeding ground for root rot. Benefits: proper watering prevents disease, keeps roots strong, and ensures your plant grows vibrant and healthy. A well-watered plant is more resilient to stress, pests, and seasonal changes. For example, pothos and philodendron thrive longer and develop lush leaves with the right watering routine. Tip: watering needs vary. Succulents need far less than ferns. Over time, you'll notice your plant signals. Drooping leaves, dry tips, or even leaf curl can indicate thirst. Remember, plants don't need perfection, they need consistency. Mastering watering habits is one of the fastest ways to make your indoor garden flourish. Use the right soil. Did you know that the very ground your plant grows in could be the reason it's struggling? Most indoor plants fail not because of neglect, but because they're planted in the wrong soil. Choosing the right soil is like giving your plant a supercharged home. It affects everything from growth to root health. Not all soils are created equal. Indoor plants have different needs. Succulents and cacti need sandy, fast-draining soil to prevent waterlogging. Foliage plants like monstera or rubber plant thrive in nutrient-rich, airy soil that holds moisture without being soggy. Herbs and flowering plants may require slightly more organic matter for steady nutrient release. Repotting 1 to 2 years is also essential. Fresh soil replenishes nutrients that get used up over time, and it gives roots more room to grow. When repotting, gently loosen compacted roots and remove any dead or rotten ones. This simple step can transform a weak plant into a thriving one. Benefits: Using the right soil ensures proper drainage, stronger roots, and healthier growth. Plants develop vibrant leaves, larger flowers, and stronger stems. Healthy roots also improve resistance against pests and diseases. For example, a peace lily in fresh, airy soil produces more blossoms and keeps its leaves glossy. Tip: mix perlite or orchid bark into soil for extra drainage. For potted plants, always use pots with drainage holes. Roots need oxygen, and water needs a way out. Remember, your plant's soil is its foundation. A strong, healthy base guarantees growth that's steady, beautiful, and long-lasting. The right soil isn't just dirt, it's life. 4. Maintain ideal temperature and humidity. Most plant owners make this mistake without even realizing it. They forget that indoor plants are living creatures that react to temperature and humidity. Imagine moving into a home that's too cold or too dry. How long would you last? Your plants feel the same way. Indoor plants thrive in moderate temperatures, typically between 18 to 30 degrees Celsius. Sudden drafts, heaters, or air conditioners can shock plants, causing leaves to brown or drop. Tropical plants like calathea or philodendron especially dislike cold temperatures, while succulents can tolerate slightly cooler nights. Humidity is another key factor. Many indoor plants, especially tropical ones, thrive in 50 to 70% humidity. Low humidity can dry out leaves, stunt growth, and make plants more susceptible to pests like spider mites. You can increase humidity naturally by misting leaves, using a pebble tray with water, or grouping plants together to create a mini humid microclimate. Benefits: maintaining the right temperature and humidity keeps plants lush, encourages faster growth, and reduces stress that could lead to leaf drop or disease. Plants like fiddle-leaf figs and Boston ferns respond beautifully. They grow vibrant leaves, stronger stems, and healthier roots. Tip: avoid placing plants directly near heaters, air conditioners, or drafty windows. Monitor your indoor environment with a small thermometer or hygrometer. Sometimes a tiny adjustment can make a tiny difference. Remember, plants are sensitive to their environment. Treat them like the living beings they are, and they'll reward you with beauty, air purification, and life that transforms your home. 5. Feed your plants. Fertilizer. Ever wondered why some indoor plants grow big, lush, and vibrant, while others seem stuck with tiny leaves or slow growth? The secret isn't magic, it's proper feeding. Just like humans, plants need nutrients to stay healthy, strong, and beautiful. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients: nitrogen for leaves, phosphorus for roots, and potassium for flowers. Indoor plants use the nutrients in soil quickly, so adding fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, ensures steady growth. Liquid fertilizers are great for quick absorption, while slow-release granules provide a steady supply over weeks. Be careful, more isn't always better. Over-fertilizing can burn roots, causing yellow leaves, brown tips, or stunted growth. Always follow the instructions and adjust based on plant type and size. During winter, most plants enter dormancy and require minimal feeding. Benefits: fertilized plants grow faster, produce larger leaves, and bloom more flowers. Nutrients strengthen stems and roots, making them more resistant to pests and stress. For example, a well-fed peace lily will produce multiple white blooms, while a fertilized ficus develops strong, glossy leaves. Tip: use organic fertilizers when possible. They're gentler and improve soil quality over time. Always water plants before fertilizing to prevent root burn. Feeding your plants is like giving them a power boost. Proper nutrition ensures they thrive indoors, adding life, color, and energy to your home. 6. Prune and clean regularly. Do you want your plants to look like they belong in a magazine rather than just survive on a shelf? Scissors are your secret weapons. Plants need attention to shed old leaves and grow strong, fresh new ones. Pruning removes dead, yellowing, or damaged leaves and stems. This not only makes your plants look beautiful, but also redirects energy towards healthy growth. Overgrown stems can be trimmed to maintain shape, promote branching, and encourage fuller foliage. Cleaning leaves is equally important. Dust blocks sunlight and slows growth. Wiping leaves gently with a damp cloth restores their ability to photosynthesize efficiently. Benefits: pruned and cleaned plants grow faster, maintain a lush appearance, and resist pests and diseases. For instance, a trimmed monstera produces bigger, healthier leaves, while a clean rubber plant shines with natural gloss. Tip: use sterilized scissors or pruning shears to prevent infection. Trim lightly and regularly rather than all at once. Cleaning also allows you to inspect for pests early. Think of pruning and cleaning as self-care for your plants. It keeps them healthy, attractive, and thriving for years to come. 7. Watch for pests. Nothing kills a plant's vibe faster than pests. Even the most carefully cared for plant can fall victim to tiny intruders like spider mites, aphids, or mealybugs. But don't panic. Early detection is everything. Regularly inspect leaves, stems, and soil for unusual spots, sticky residue, or small insects. Some pests are visible, while others hide under leaves. Natural solutions like neem oil, insecticidal soap, or rubbing alcohol can eliminate pests without harming your plants. Isolate infected plants to prevent spreading. Benefits: early pest control protects leaves, flowers, and roots from damage. Healthy plants are more resistant to future infestations and grow stronger, providing better air purification and beauty indoors. For example, spider mite-free calatheas maintain vibrant leaf patterns, while aphid-free herbs flourish and produce more leaves. Tip: quarantine new plants for a week before introducing them to your collection. Healthy soil, proper watering, and humidity also reduce the chance of pest outbreaks. Monitoring your plants for pests is like giving them bodyguards. They stay strong, beautiful, and stress-free, keeping your indoor jungle thriving year-round. Caring for indoor plants isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle that transforms your home and your well-being. By giving the right light, water, soil, temperature, fertilizer, regular pruning, and pest care, your plants will reward you with lush greenery, vibrant colors, and cleaner, fresher air. Start today. Follow these 7 steps and watch your indoor garden turn into a thriving oasis that brings peace, beauty, and life into every corner of your home. Your plants aren't just decorations, they're living companions, and with the right care, they'll flourish like never before.